Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I transformed my chandelier into a beautiful sparkly chandelier. So I had my eye on a few chandeliers and I was like completely inspired and thought, well, maybe I can get this look if I do it myself and I won't have to replace my whole entire chandelier. And I actually like the way it turned out, especially because it was way more affordable than buying a whole new chandelier. So if you guys are interested on how I did this, please stay and watch and enjoy the video. Here I just added a thin wire to the center of the chandelier to add my center crystal. Okay everyone, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.